just would do a quick review. This is the rivet counter from Scale Trains in N scale. It's a Union Pacific. It's number 10, and it is the Big Blow turbine. Anybody who's had a rivet counter or has one knows the detail. I think there's only one step up, which would be museum quality and HO. So, and I'm going to run it on 9.75 radius, which is not recommended, but it does run on that. So, do a startup sequence, just F8. You can hear that's just the A unit starting up. If you go into reverse, I don't know if you can pick it up. You see the reflection of the light off the B unit comes on, and there's a very, very big spotlight type of light on the tender. And come on. F0 gives you your headlight. You do a shift 12, you dim the lights. That's your bell. It's a, I believe, a Leslie horn. There's the lights back up. As it goes around, there are catches next to the wheel that create a brake squeal on its own. So we'll let that go. When you turn on the turbine, just be careful because it will double your speed. So you have to either adjust or be prepared with your speed ahead of time. There's some of the brake squeal. This is a super detailed model. So if you put this into your collection, it will be basically at the top. So if we go into the turbine, you'll see it double up in speed. After and I've had to lower the speed because it will fly at crazy speed. I'm using some passenger cars from New York Central 20th Century. I pulled a lot of double stack freight. very strong. It will probably pull anything that you have. You probably get about 30 cars with no problem. So I'm going to bring the turbine down when it comes around so you can watch it. It'll slow down immediately. And then hitting F8 again will do your shutdown. There's about 7 or 8 other sounds. You know, sanders, brake. So that shuts down the engine noises from the A unit and the B unit if it's on at that time, and also your number boards. So all you have left is your headlight, and we could take that down, and that's just a brief view of it. So hope you guys enjoy it. It is available as far as I know, so anyone looking, it's in the I don't know, scale trains. I think is about $530 for the N scale, and maybe about $650, $700 or so for the HO. Depends whether you go museum. And they also have the Turbine and what they call standard edition, which does not do the B unit or the tender. So I hope you guys enjoy. Have fun, and we'll talk to you later.